Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Inshallah, today we are gonna study the final question of this chapter. So, the final question is जिहादी जद्दोजहद के तहत आम शहरियों को जो निशाना बनाया जा रहा है, क्या ये अमल इस्लामी नज़रिए जिहाद से हम आहंग है? So the third question is that some of the organization they are pointing out some of the innocent people and the public, what the common people. So is this point outing the organization just point outing that what the innocent people also? So is this right in the view of Islam or not? Means हम आहंग बोले तो इज दिस यानी जो हम आहंग बोलते हैं कुछ जो वर्क जिहाद का सिमिलर है या उसका मकसद जिहाद का मकसद है कि सही है कि नहीं. ओके, क्वेश्चन ये है. सो नाउ मौलाना यासीन अख्तर मिसबाही सिंह दैट गैर मुताल्लिक शहरी आम आदमी औरत बच्चों बूढ़ों इबादत गाहों और अवामी इदारों को हलाक व बर्बाद करने की इजाज़त इस्लामी जिहाद के अंदर भी नहीं है, तो आम जंगों हमलों में ऐसी हरकत किस तरह गवारा की जा सकती है. ही इज सेइंग दैट इन इस्लामिक जिहाद द इस्लाम डजंट व्हाट परमिट अस टू डिस्ट्रॉय द टू डिस्ट्रॉय द व्हाट institutes and the what the worship the ibadat gah and the mosque and what church like that, and we are not permitted to do jang with do jihad with old people and with child and with female. Okay, so how it can be possible to just to just point out and just what do jang with the innocent and common people? This is not okay. The second one is the Maulana Wahiduddin Khan. He is saying that आम शहरियों को तशद्दुद का निशान बनाना किसी हाल में जायज़ नहीं है, हत्ता कि मुस्लिम हुकूमत के तहत होने वाले जायज़ जिहाद में भी नहीं. जायज़ जिहाद में भी सिर्फ मुकातिल परवार किया जा सकता है, गैर मुकातिल परवार करने की गुंजाइश इस्लाम के उसूल जंग में नहीं है. He is saying that in the terms of Islamic what jang in Islamic what harb, there are some terms and conditions. We are not allowed to just point out and we are just not to aim the public, the common people. Okay, in our Islamic jihad also and in the okay. तो आम शहरियों को तशद्दुद का निशाना किसी we are not in any way we are not allowed to and we are not permitted to what to do or to just obey and to just behave with the common people with with just innocent people. Okay, so how can we just do with them a jihad and with to just kill them? Islam doesn't permit and doesn't propagate for that. Okay, and the third answer by Maulana Shafi Monis, he is saying that जिहादी जद्दोजहद के तहत सिर्फ उन्हीं शहरियों को निशाना बनाया जा सकता है जो अमलन जंग में हिस्सा ले सकते हों. He is saying that we are allowed and permitted to have jang with only those who are just able to do jang. Okay, so now he is saying that for example नौजवान मर्द, youth जिन पर अहले क़िताल की इस्तिलाही सादिक आती है. From youth we can understand they are able to do what to do war. Okay, उनके खिलाफ तलवार उठाई नहीं जा सकती जो अहले क़िताल. We are not able to just what to do jang those with those who are not able or who are not what qualified for that jang. For example औरतें, child, old man and those who are sick and those who are injured and those who are blind and those मकतूल आज़ा, मजनून, सियाह, खानकाह नशी, जाहिद, माबूदों और मंदिरों के मुजाविर और ऐसे ही दूसरे बेज़रर लोग. We are not able to do jang with those people. Okay, those who are not from Ahlul Qital. Okay, and the last answer from Maulana Abdul Wahab Khilji, he is saying that जिहाद के नाम पर बेकसूर व बेगुनाह और मासूम जानों का ज़िया गैर मुस्लिम अमल है. He is saying that if we will just what do jihad with whom with beqasur from means is innocent, with innocent, beguna means innocent. Okay, if we will do jihad, if we are doing jihad, if we are doing what, doing war in the name of Islam, with whom, with innocent and what, with masoom. So this Islam doesn't what permit us to do that. Okay, इस्लाम में इस्लामी मैदान जंग में भी इसकी अमर की शद्दत के साथ रियायत रखता है। चे जाई का आम शहरियों को निशाना बनाया जाए। In Islam, according to Islam, we are not able to do that. For example, in what, in during the harb, Islam also what, guide us, advise us to not do that. You are not able to what, kill the old man and the child. Okay, so we have to just okay, we have to just keep in our mind those things. Okay, the terms and condition of our Islamic perspective regarding to the jihad. Okay, so this is what the third, what the third question of this chapter, and the final question of the chapter means Islam doesn't or do not propagate or motivate to do jihad with those who are not able to do jihad. Okay, but Islam permit only those who are able and capable and who qualified for do jang. We have to attack on them only. Okay, so here we finish our this chapter. I hope all of you get the understand what are the basics of the jihad. Okay, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.